And welcome back to Homeschool Connect Expo. My name is Sam, and you are watching this in September, hopefully, when we are having our whole entire month dedicated to a fair, online homesteading fair, and it is something near to dear to our hearts, homeschooling and homesteading. And so we wanted to bring this and let everybody know some really cool things and products and then uh, services and ways you can have a simpler life and do things and some learning lessons and on and on and on. But today we're highlighting one of our exhibitors, and I'm going to send it over to Kelly's, and that way she can tell us more about that. Have at it.
Hey, everybody. So, today we are going to talk about why life is, in fact, better with chickens. Hoover's Hatchery out of Iowa, um, has a phenomenal website that you're all going to want to go and look at. They sent us these really cute shirts, and we're so excited to have them. But they've also sent some really fun giveaways that we can send to you all when you sign up for the giveaway. And one of the things that they sent us are these cute little water bottle cozies. At least that's what I'm using mine for. And this water bottle has been out here a while and it is still very cold. But we have 10 of these to give away, which is super, super fun. But the big thing that Hoover's has sent us that we are just thrilled to be able to share with you guys, they have sent us two gift certificates for $100 each. $100 in chickens or ducks or geese or guineas, if that's your thing, or turkeys, whatever it is you want to spend that money on their website. If you want $100 in t-shirts, you can do that too. But let me tell you a little bit about our journey with chickens. When we first bought our farm, we had been gardening for years, and that wasn't anything really new to us. But we had this great big space to do it now, and we were super excited. And we decided we were going to get chickens. And this was not our first go around with chickens. Years and years ago, we got three little chickens on the back of one of our friends' orders, and we used this for a science fair project for our kids. All our kids were homeschooled, and one of the things that we wanted to do, for whatever reason, we wanted them to raise chickens, and they and we're just loving it. We have about 25 layers, and we have right now a set that y'all may have been watching of meat birds that we're raising. And we're just having a really good time doing it. So I'm going to shoot this back to Sam so he can show you the website and what, if you win these two gift certificates, you can do with those on Hoover's Hatchery's website.
All right. Hey, appreciate it. And we'll see you later on. All right. So I'm going to now take you guys over to Homeschool Connect Expo. And let me share my screen here. And there it is, homeschoolconnectexpo.com. And this is what you will see when you go there. You'll see some information, some news, and right there, there's our fair. That's the beginning of it. The green one is to take you to the fair itself, and the red one is there to take you to the chickens that we are raising for the month of September. So if you click on the green one, you're going to go right into here. And again, another way to get into the chickens. But this is the giveaway. This is what she was talking about. First name, last name, and email. That is that easy to sign up. And we have tons of giveaways, not just these, but we have a ton of giveaways. And $100 in chickens is huge. So check it out and make sure you do the giveaway only in the continental US. Sorry, Alaska and Hawaii and Canada and France and all the different places that people are coming into Homeschool Connect Expo for this. It's just the continental, just the pricing and time delays and everything else. That's we're just doing the continental USA right now. So, but anyway, sign up for the giveaways, share, let people know what's going on, what's happening, and everything. But if you jump into Hoover's Hatchery right here, you will then go in to see their exhibitor listings. This is really cool, and you'll get to see the pictures of all the different things, information about who they are, all the different resources they have, and pictures. We got bird rocks, we have the reds for laying hens, both of those, and we have some blondes we don't have a picture of, but maybe you'll get to see here pretty soon. But over to the right, click on, and you will get to see the their website. And this is it. This is all the information, all the things that you want to go into: the chickens, ducks, geese, turkeys, pheasants, bantams, and guineas. These are the ones they have all kind of stuff. I love turkeys. We had a whole big flock of turkeys. Totally awesome. I loved it. It was really, really fun to be a part of and see them, the geese and the ducks. We did ducks before. That was really cool. That was another great experiment. We did the ones that we raised for a while and they flew away and then they came back. And there's my grandbaby right there. But here's our blonde. If you want to see our blondes, what's the blondes? What are they called?
This is one of the Buff Orpingtons. Now, no, our chickens do not live inside with us, and she's not really loving being inside right now. But the Buff Orpingtons, by far, are the most friendly birds that we have had. We love them. They love us. They want to hang out with us. And so, if you're looking for something for your kids, this is it. I highly recommend a Buff Orpington. And now I'm going to take little Mabel here back outside because she does not want to live inside where the humans are. But we wanted to show her off a little bit and let you know, when you order a chicken, you can have a pet too.
Yeah. Yeah. And that's the cool thing about this is, we have some for laying eggs. And the people at Hoover's Hatcheries will totally help you out on which ones are egg layers, which one are meat birds, and which one are dual purposes. Those are the words that they use. Meat birds are just what they say. You raise them for 4 to 6 weeks when they're game hens. Those are the smaller ones. Those are just smaller chickens. Or you can raise them out to about 8 weeks. They have ones that grow faster. There's ones that are more natural. There are dual purposes. And then there's the egg layers, and we have the egg layers, and they provide us some wonderful, wonderful amounts of eggs every single day. And if you've never had a farm fresh egg, there's nothing like it. You can spend all kinds of money in organic and everything else at the supermarket, not even close to these. The just everything about these are amazing. But like I said, turkeys were fun to raise. They have a whole nother thought philosophy in life, and are just wonderful to be a part of. They followed me around, and they were pretty much my pets this whole entire time. They were so cool, to raise and see. And of course, they always are trying to find ways to die. I don't know why that is, but they find very fun, exciting ways to try. And so that's a whole nother thing, but we had ducks before, and that was wonderful. We raised them, they flew away, and 2 of them came back the next year, and they made it to our neighbors across the street, the house, which is really cool. Our kids enjoyed seeing that following year. But anyway, I can't say much more about Hoover's Hatchery other than you need to jump on their website and see all there's some minimums for which ones they have, and 15 chicks. That's a very doable first thing if you're trying to do it. Again, we've done multiple ones, and it's just been really fun, to be a part of, this process, and being so close to where our food comes from, and the chickens and the turkeys, you know, so, oh man, it's unbelievable the difference. But that's another video for another time. This is all about Hoover's Hatchery. So take care, be a part of the Homeschool Connect Expo more, share with your friends all this information that we have that's coming out, and remember to go and sign up for our giveaways. It's a really easy thing to sign up to get the giveaways. and be a part of us. But thank you so much for being a part of us here at Homeschool Connect Expo and our online homesteading fair for the month of September. And we will see you tomorrow. All right.